These AI videos are making thousands a month. If you are watching this video, if YouTube suggested this video to you, this is your sign. Hello guys. I know it's been so long here. It's been long here. Guys, how is your AI journey going? Tell me, let's chat. Is everything going well? Do you need help? What's going on? Tell me in the comment section. I'm so happy with this hair because it's been 2 weeks that I have it on. And just look at how it still shines. It smells so good. Okay. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you are doing. I really want to know, I really want to know how are you doing? How is everything going? Comment vous allez? En quoi puis-je vous aider? So guys, I've been working on so many AI projects that I want to share with you guys. What are you working on? Let me know. Let me know. My God, this feels like a live a live session. I'm just talking. I just want to talk to you guys one-on-one. Okay? One-on-one. So feel free to let me know in the comment section what you're working on. If you need help, how can I help? Are you new to AI? What are the AI tools you use? What are your best AI tools? Do you know Medora? So if you check my short videos, you will see that I've been making some cute, I would say cute fruit AI videos, AI fruit videos. So if you check my shorts, you will see. Let me know if you want to learn how to make those viral fruit videos. Viral, you can actually do anything. You can make anything with fruits, right? Using AI. But I think it's always better to make something educational, entertaining, because people love entertainment. People are so stressed. There's a lot of stress already out there, so you don't want to be stressed someone. You don't want to bring more stress to people, right? Always make sure to make things easy for people. So if you want to teach anyone, make sure you break everything down so that they find it so easy to learn. And that's exactly how I do. So if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn from me, je vous invite à m'écrire en commentaire. I'll leave a link very soon in the description. But first, let's talk in the comments. I want to see who is interested in learning these skills. So I'll put some videos here so you can see.
Your skincare routine is trying very hard, while beauty has been growing naturally this entire time. I support skin health, glow, and immunity. Eat me during the day as a smart snack. But if berries irritate your body, stop forcing aesthetics.
Tu dis que tu n'arrives pas à te concentrer, alors que tu dors 4 heures et bois de l'anxiété liquide chaque matin. Je soutiens la concentration, la santé du cerveau et l'anti-âge. Mange-moi le matin ou dans des smoothies. Mais manger toute la boîte par stress émotionnel, ça, ce n'est pas de la discipline.
I look expensive. Because your body treats me like royalty. Antioxidants, circulation, heart support. Eat me during the day or before workouts. But check your medication interactions before pretending you're invincible.
The 1% stopped fearing healthy fats years ago. You blame food. But discipline still matters. I'm healthy, not magic. Tu es épuisé parce que tu m'as remplacé par la caféine. Je suis le potassium, une énergie rapide, une performance naturelle. Mange-moi avant l'entraînement ou le matin. Les marathons de bananes à minuit, très mauvaise stratégie.
You're exhausted because you replaced me with caffeine. I'm potassium, fast fuel, natural performance. Eat me before workouts or in the morning. Midnight banana marathons? Horrible strategy.
Your headache is dehydration pretending to be stress. You drink 3 coffees.
And somehow blame your schedule. I help hydration and recovery. Eat me after workouts or during hot days. Whoa. But before bed, don't blame me when you wake up every hour. You spent hundreds on skincare, while vitamin C has been sitting in your kitchen. I support glow, collagen, and immunity. Acid-sensitive stomach? Don't start your morning with me alone.
Let's be honest. Factories have spent decades trying to copy me. I support immunity, digestion, and skin health. Eat me earlier in the day for natural energy. Midnight mango marathons? That's between you and your blood sugar. Ta routine skincare fait vraiment beaucoup d'efforts. Alors que la beauté pousse naturellement depuis le début. Je contribue à la santé de la peau, à l'éclat du teint et au soutien du système immunitaire. Mange-moi dans la journée comme une collation intelligente. Mais si les fruits rouges ne te conviennent pas, arrête de sacrifier ton bien-être pour l'esthétique. People need energy. People need sleep. I help performance. You can't perform if you can't think. I build athletes. I build decisions. Fair?
So if you are interested in UGC, but you don't want to show your face, AI is here for you. I am here for you.
Yeah, she don't need approval. She don't need permission. She just is clocking. Oh yeah. It's coffee time. Can you smell it? Can you smell it?
Protein never looked this expensive.
Rebuilding discipline one morning at a time. Warm coffee fuels the ambition. Goals take shape on rainy streets. The sun rises on new beginnings. This is my ritual, a moment of calm before the hustle. Rebuilding discipline, one cup at a time. Today, I create.
Observe the vision.
So all the videos you are seeing here were made with AI. Made by me, but using AI.
I miss you. Tu me manques.
French was invented for heartbreak.
And they look so, they look, I mean, they are so entertaining, you know, and the visuals are the one that actually stop the scroll. So if you want your videos to be visually appealing, I would highly suggest you use fruit characters. Yes. Yes, we all love fruits, right? I mean, not everyone, but I mean, yeah, they are cute. They are cute, some cute characters. So, guys, yes, let me think. Let me know what you think of these videos. Also, would you like to learn? Also, do you know how to make them? Also, do you have any products you are selling? Let me know in the comments. You never know who will come to this, who might see this video, you know. You never know. You never know. Just leave in the comment section. Tell me about your business in the comment section. Oh, and I have an offer for you. You know, I've been making AI content for brands. You know, the UGC content for brands. And I will show you how to make it if you tell me in the comment section that you are interested. Also, I want you to share your business in the comment section so that I will pick one person. Yes, I'll pick the business that explains it better and has a strong vision. Then I'll make an ad for your business for free. Yes, I really want to do that. So I want to do that for you. So, à vous. I'm waiting for you in the comment section, guys. And see you in the next video. Oh, I'm Coco. If you don't know me, if this is your first time here, I'm Coco. Coco is easier for you. Yes. Because my name is Pierre, but Coco is easier for you. So I'm Coco. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing good. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope everything good comes your way. I really hope so. I'll be praying for you. If you need me to pray for you, tell me in the comments. I mean, I would love to. I would love to pray for you. All right. So yes, that was Coco for you. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think that's all for this video. I've been talking nonstop, and right now I feel like you have enough information already. So, but I will make another video depending on what you tell me in the comment section. So if you really want me to make a video about something you like, something you want to learn, something you want to maybe practice, something you about a topic that interests you, tell me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you, to make a video for you. All right, so that being said, my next video will depend on your comments. Ok, la balle est dans votre camp. La balle est dans votre camp. La balle est dans votre camp. Again, let's appreciate my hair. Do you know how this is called? How these are called? Yes. Pause 1 second and tell me in the comment section. Okay, come back. These are called crochet braids. Crochet braids. They look so good. They look so natural. And you know the good thing with these are the older they get, the better they look. Kiss. Mm-hmm. I came here to say hi and show you my hair. My hair. Can you see my hair? Guys, how is everything going? How is it going?